All right, guys, what's going on? This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and I got a 1975 Trans Am with a matching number 400 V8. What we're gonna do today is point out any kind of flaws, go over this whole entire car. That way you know exactly what you're getting when you get here. After I do this video, I'm gonna be doing a test drive video. Both videos are 15 minutes long, going over all information about all these cars. You can check us out, maplemotors.com, see all the inventory that we have. This week we got about 18 cars to get to, so I'm knocking out as many as I can every single day. Definitely check out maplemotors.com. You can see all of our inventory. We got financing information, also have shipping. We can ship these cars all over the US. We're going to start up here in the front. Looks nice and clean up front. The little bumper here does have a crack in the corner. Looks like it's kind of separated from the fender right there as well. The paint on it's not too bad on this car. Windshield's in good shape. All the trim around the windshield looks nice and clean, and the windows. Weather stripping down in the jamb needs to be replaced. Kind of looking over the top of the car. Now we're going to head down to the bottom and look down the sides. Looking pretty clean. There's a little chip in the door here. Got the rock guard at the bottom of the door as well. Tires are in great shape on this car. Somebody's painted over the back bumper. It's got some paint runs in the back here. See some orange peel where they've repainted that back piece. Definitely had some work done right here. Still got the rock guard at the bottom of the doors on both sides. A little blotchy looking right there. Making my way down here. Front of the hood's nice and clean. Go ahead and pop the trunk for you. And then we'll check the interior out. We do a little poll up here. Do you think the horn's gonna work? Look at the top right corner of the screen. Put your mouse there, your finger there if you're on the phone. And you can take the poll. I'm trying to one hand this. All right. It opens up nice and easy. Trunk looks fairly clean. The weather stripping's a little bit weathered. Still squishy, so it's not nice and hard or falling apart. Spare tire in the trunk. trying to cover everything without having to take that tire out. All right, let's look at this door here. Door panel's in good shape. It's not all tore up. Weather stripping around the door panel is showing a little bit of age. You can see that. It's still soft. Under the door there. Carpet looks decent in here. They didn't get it exactly right up in the corner. It looked like they bought the kit and cut it a little bit wrong there. Weather stripping around the window, same condition as all the weather stripping around the car. They probably changed it all at the same time. You can see the seat ripped up. They got it taped up. Upper part of the seat doesn't look too bad. Dash seems to be in good shape. Did y'all vote yet? I wonder if the horn works in this one. I haven't actually tried it. I usually try it with y'all, but this car starts up nice and easy. Console here is all dented in from age. What's this? Paperwork. Owner's manuals. Write-ups on the car. Radio does not work. AC, don't believe that works either. I can't get the blower motor to cut on. I don't believe the blower motor works either. RPM's coming up on the dash. Looks like the oil pressure gauge is working. Water temperature starting to come up. With it being a matched number motor, 58,000 miles. Gonna be 158. Motor sounds nice and strong. Windshield wipers do work. Does the horn work? Yeah! That's what I'm talking about. How many of y'all lost that bet? This thing sounds healthy. Can't wait for the test drive. AC's not going to work because the belt's not hooked up. Everything else is there though. It probably wouldn't take too much to get it back going. Motor's nice and quiet. Let's see how the hood lines up. Wasn't too bad shutting it down. A little tight. Lines look all right. The bird looks good. Get y'all next to the exhaust. I'm gonna give y'all some undercarriage shots. You can also see detailed photos at maplemotors.com. And if you want to see the test drive video, you can hear it flying by the camera, revving up, all that good stuff. Let's get these undercarriage shots. Heading to the back now. And to the passenger side. Guys, I do appreciate you watching. If you have any other questions, please visit maplemotors.com. hit that subscribe button. I post videos like this every single day. You can also check out the test drive videos by typing in the year, the model, and Maple Motors. That's all you gotta do. Go to our website, you see something you like, just type it in. Specifically this one, 1975 Trans Am, Maple Motors. I do appreciate y'all watching. Have a good one, guys.